has firmly established itself in the realms of fashion and beauty. Nails are no longer more afterthoughts, they are considered a crucial accessory that can elevate one's overall look. For those who are looking for the ultimate challenge and creative freedom, hand-painted nail art is a pinnacle. Talented nail artists can turn nails into canvases, crafting detailed designs that tell stories or evoke emotions. Whether you are an experienced artist or a beginner, the world of hand-painted nail arts offers endless possibilities. Coordinating nail art with outfits and makeup has become a fashion statement. Celebrities, fashion icons now includes a wide range of nail care products and specialized salons, further emphasizing the importance of nail aesthetics. Nail care and nail art can be forms of relaxation and self-care. Visiting a nail salon or taking the time to do your nails at home provides an opportunity to unwind and de-stress. The pampering involved in a manicure or pedicure with massage and soothing treatments can be therapeutic. It's a chance to prioritize self-care and prioritize one's mental well-being, which is particularly important in today's fast-paced world. Nail art has firmly established itself into the realms of fashion and beauty. Well-maintained and beautifully designed nails have a direct impact on an individual's self-esteem and confidence. Feeling good about your appearance, including your nails, can boost self-confidence. It's no wonder that people often report a surge in self-esteem after getting their nails done. This boost in self-assurance can have a positive ripple effect on various aspects of life, from personal relationships to professional success.